We started off 25 years ago with 20 people and their pets volunteering, and to a 300 volunteer strong organization with 14 facilities that we visit. Our target audience are people in nursing homes and assisted living facilities. The residents that can't come to us, we go to them. There's so many benefits for them that have been medically proven through multiple studies, if you will. It helps relieve loneliness, it helps reduce blood pressure. It's just, a way to connect. Anytime that you've probably found this with yourself, anytime that you've connected with a dog or a cat or even a bunny, it just kind of stops you, and it just kind of brings you back to where you are, and it lowers your blood pressure and makes you feel a lot better. I mean, if you have an animal that's really amazing and you want to share and you want to give back, it's a really great way to do it. I think most of us have a goal of leaving the world a little better than we found it, and this is a really great way to do that. But when you walk into a facility with your best friend, and then you're allowed to share your best friend with other people, it's just that amazing feeling of giving. And it's like, you really, maybe today I made a difference.